Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I've not posted in a while, and this is one of the things I've been working on for a while now. I made a PvP practice map where you can practice almost every game mode. Not yet though, because I still have to make Crystal PvP, Car PvP, still to make a lot more to Mace PvP. I made Sword PvP and Mace PvP already, but Mace PvP needs to be improved. I will update the map, guys, so don't worry. When I update the map, I'll make a video about it. Y'all can download it. So, let's just move on to the video. Okay, so, let's just head back to the main thing. So this is for sword. So you can spawn a normal sword mode, which is with connection. As we all know him, sharpness. Well, he only has like one setting, which is right here. So sharpness, we'll put that right there. Here you can turn on the attack. So if you want him to attack, you can turn that on. If you don't want him to attack, just like want to practice your combos, put that on. I'm putting on for now. So this is you have two modes. This is the start mode. It's kind of for flame frags right here, but we'll show him later. I have sword mode, which you will be cleared, guys. If you use this, you will be cleared. So you'll be cleared and you get a sword. So like this, you have a sword. So you can practice your PvP. You can practice your combos. He moves backwards sometimes, but like he moves a lot. You can also TP him to the middle. Also goes for flame. TP into the middle. Look, he moves back sometimes. This is how to get back. Equip the totems real quick. What you can also do is, did I put office attack or did I put it on? Wait, let me see. It might. Sorry guys, the attack speed malfunctioned for a second. But if you turn it on like that, here he starts attacking you. Start the. Let me go into survival mode. He doesn't have perfect aim, guys. I coded him not to have perfect aim. Yo! And my powder popped. So you can go back. So that's for sharpness. Sharpness overall is just for the combos, if you want to practice those. I'm probably gonna make a button right here. Just give me a second. Are his settings. These are his settings. So let's just go over here. The first one is the armor equip. So my flame frags will spawn in with armor because I've already gave him armor. But your guys' flame frags is gonna spawn in with nothing. Yeah, nothing. So Gory is gonna spawn on with nothing. I don't really know how the data works, but we'll see. If he doesn't spawn in with anything, then you gotta do this, okay? So this is to equip his armor. So you go to this chest right here, take a piece of armor, and then you drop it to him, and then he's gonna pick it up. And once he has it in his hand, you click on this, and then he equips the armor. Here, I can showcase it real quick. /clear. Flavors. Let me kill him. Okay, let me get a piece of armor. Wait, this is to refill all these chests, guys. Here, there's all of this stuff in here to get practice with. Get a chest plate. So he's gonna spawn in. Drop him that. Click on that and he equips it. So now we need to give him a lot of armor. Look, he equipped it. He uses it. Bro, get in there, Flame. Once you hear him pick it up, you can give him a sword. Whichever sword you like. We'll give him this one. Look, he has a sword now. So what we now can do is we can now move on. Let me kill him real quick. So this is for the shield or totems. So if you want him to have a shield or totem, so I would suggest putting totems, but you can do shield too. Shield bugs sometimes, so if the shield doesn't work, you have to just respawn him. If it turns green, it's on. If it turns red, it's not on. I would suggest just doing this because I'm gonna make a UHC mode later on. So, yeah. So this is just for the shield right here. This is to turn on the shield. So totems are on right now, but you can also do this. If you do both, it's just gonna bug out. So I suggest two totems. So Flame jumps sometimes sometimes. Right? He doesn't jump always. He jumps sometimes, like mid-air or so. And if you want him to jump even more, then you can equip the criticals. What criticals is going to do is he's going to jump more often to crit you. So that's what criticals do. Then we gonna move left and right. I was just turning this on because it's gonna make it more realistic. So he's gonna hit you and then he's gonna move like this and hit you, move like this, hit you, move like this, hit you, move like this, hit you, move like this. This is just fully AI. As for a game of survival, I mean, still have to turn it to AP, but we'll do that later. Do you want him to use wind charges, guys? If you do want him to use wind charges, put it on. If you don't, put it on off. It's very simple. So those are the settings for Flame Frags. If I'm going too fast, pause the video. Also, there will be a link in the description to join my Discord, and then you guys can click on that and then go to my Discord and download the map. So start. Let's go to survival. Let's spawn in. Yo, Flame, you're cooking, bro. You're cooking. So he's gonna use everything that he has. He's gonna eat gold apples sometimes. His attack speed is a little too much, so I'm gonna put that a little down. This guy's also not fully AI. If you go behind his back, he will not even hit you. Flame, stop, Flame! Please, guys, subscribe. This takes a long time to make. Oh my god, Flame, stop! He's just kind of doing more than one thing at once. His totem is poppable, guys. See? Oh, let me get out of here, man. Okay, so that's Flame Frags. Y'all can experiment with this if y'all want to. You can change it, y'all can make it better, whatever y'all want to. So that's for these two guys. Pretty good, right? Not gonna lie. Think it was pretty good. Let's just, I guess, move on to Flame Frags. Also, you can kill Flame right here and kill Connection right here, so pretty easy. Now we're gonna move on to Mace PvP. You have right here Stun Slamming, Clown Pierce. You can spawn him in, and then here you can give him armor, so you'll put him in here. You can just TP him to use, slash TP. Clown Pierce, Sharp Money, I guess. Go hit him in or something like that. Also, guys, how do you spawn in a player? you spawn a player like this, /player. You do /player, then look, and then you can spawn him in. Okay, wait, bro. No actual fucking way someone was called F. But you can stun slam, you can TP him into the map, and then you can stun slam with him. Okay, so, and then you got, I'll explain that. So, you click on this, and then he gets TP'd to the arena. And to turn on the shield is you gotta turn this up. And he starts using the shield. So, you can use that for stun slamming. You can also TP him back to here. And then we got Ender Pearl on player. You can make lettuce bigger. I still have to make the command to spawn him in. /spawn /player. And then spawn. So, but he's massive. Like, he's absolutely massive. Here, look, he's normal again. So this is to make him normal, to make him big, to make him even bigger. So click on that, click on that, click on that. So you can get absolutely skill 2. This is where he gets the normal size. That's big, small, big, small. So you can use that to Ender Pearl onto him. You can kill the lettuce, of course, and then you can start playing. So you spawn him in, and you start playing. He goes there. You make him bigger, make him smaller. Yeah. Then let's move on to the advanced Wenbu PvP arena. So basically, what this will do, this is a fully AI coded Wenbu. He does his own decisions. If he wants to shoot a bow at you, he shoots a bow at you. If he wants to hold up a shield, he holds up a shield. Let me show you real quick. Sometimes you end the pros out of the arena, so you just TP him back. You see, he does his own things. He can't mace shoot though, because the carpet mod doesn't support that. That's a little. Also, I need to change it till he goes to survival, bro. Like, he is still in creative. Okay, and then this one you can mess with that whatever y'all want to. I just made it for fun. I thought it was pretty fun. Then we got the Marlow training arena. Yeah, you can spawn in Marlow. Hey Marlow! Hey Marlow! Hey Marlow! Hey Marlow! Okay. Get out of it! Why is your ass still on that book? So what you can do here is you can switch to sword PvP if y'all want to. But I have to go back to Marlow all over again. Marlow! Okay. So what you can do is you can clear yourself, go have nothing. And you can go up here, and this is a rigging station. You can click on this. For some reason I click double on the button. For some reason you get an extra set, so if you want to use that. The whole reason why you get an extra set is because of the block right there. Structure block loads, and then once you click on that button, it loads all the redstone again, and then it gives you another one. So if you make this in survival, it will not give you 2 sets. It will only give you 1 and a mace. Like you can get a mace, but you can also get a spear. As I said, it dispenses 2 because that's just because of the structure block. But in survival, this will be all normal. So you got the shulkers right here with all the stuff inside that you will need in a PvP battle. And what will happen is you can click on the button like that. It will do that, and a new shulker will pop up. If you want to get rid of it, just throw it in the lava, I guess. Okay, so you can clear Marlow. Marlo. And you got shield tungsten. Wait, what does she have infinite totems? That's not supposed to happen, Marlo. You can start this one with Marlo too, but I would suggest doing it with Conker. It's a lot better. And here's things to practice. You can look through the list if you want to practice anything, so you can look through that. That's just my advice right there. Still have to make another setting. We'll get through that. You can kill yourself, of course, and you can start the. This is how to spawn Marlo, and if you click on this, it starts the game. Marlo gets geared up, and you can PvP. Also, I added a feature where if you go over this, look, you get TP'd instantly to here, so it's pretty nice. So you can't, like, when you mace her, she can't get out of arena. Right here's a blind spot though. If y'all want to do mace PvP like a light trap PvP outside of here, y'all can do that. Don't really mind. So yeah, that was the video. I just wanted to show y'all the map. I'm gonna put the Discord and the link in the description. You can join the Discord and download the map. Also, I will put updates. I'm gonna tell you all the updates I'm gonna do. This arena, I think I'll make this arena a lot bigger. Just because it's so small. Or I'm gonna make a 2 arena, which you can use fireworks in, which is gonna be absolutely massive, and you can use that arena to do firework, mace PvP, like everything you want to. So the next map is gonna have a bigger map than this, okay? Then going on to the short PvP, I think I'ma still add some few details, maybe not. Mace PvP, I want to do a lot here. What I want to do here is I want to make a timer. So, it's like a player's gonna fall down or wind charge up the whole time. And you have to time your hits. So you can time your hits and get better at timing your hits. I'm gonna make, probably a few other things that I have to think about adding. But I'm gonna add a lot more stuff, guys, to this map. I'm gonna make a UHC mode, which you can play against a bot that's gonna actually place cobwebs under your feet, and just actually PvP like a real player. Well, it's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna try though. We're also gonna make a car PvP bot, which is gonna use carts. You can try and kill them. We're gonna make a crystal PvP bot and probably, like, I don't know, spear PvP bot maybe? Because, you know, we got spears in the server. If you don't have 1.21.11, it's okay. You can still download the map, but I don't know if the spears are going to be in, though. You'll have to see about that. But, I hope y'all enjoyed. Oh yeah, wait, I still have to show how to download the map. I almost forgot, guys. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your Google first, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna search up Modrift and then Carpet Mod. So this is gonna be the link in the description. You're gonna go to versions. You're gonna go and choose your version 1.2011. And it's always Fabric, so you have to get Fabric. Then download it. It will download up there. Then what you're gonna want to do is download the Fabric Epi, which I think is this one. This is Fabric Loader, Modrift. If you want to get mods, guys, I would suggest getting a Modrift. It's just a lot better. And then Carpet. No, it's Fabric Epi, and get this one. This is also gonna be in the link in the description. And just download that like that. Choose your version, of course. Like that. So, get rid of this one real quick. Okay, so this one is gonna download. And then what you're gonna wanna do is search up run. And you're gonna put in data app. You can click on awk.minecraft. And once you're at .minecraft, so this menu you will see the top one is gonna be .minecraft. You're gonna open that up. You're gonna search for mods right here. Double click that, and then you're just gonna drag these into into your mods folder. I'm not going to do that because I already have them in, but you can do that with both of them. What you then going to want to do is you want to get the map, right? So, going to go to Discord. Discord real quick. I want to go to Discord and then go like this, and then this is for someone else, Gumbo. You click on the map like this. I'm gonna download Gumbo's map real quick. So it's gonna download up there. What you then gonna want to do is you're gonna kind of like drag it like that. Close your Discord, close your Minecraft, close everything. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to downloads, drag the map folder onto your screen right here. Then you can close everything, or you can just keep it open like me. You can do this, and then you're gonna open the file, which is gonna be Maze Gumbo map. Double click that. This is all the data for the map. I'm gonna have different data, but you can put my data in too. What you're then gonna want to do is you go to mods folder, go back. You're in the Minecraft thing, so you're gonna search up run dot and then run, and then it's gonna be data app again. Then you're gonna go to Minecraft again. You're gonna go to saves, double click that, and then click on new right here in the top corner. Click that and click on folder to make a new folder. Then name it whatever you want to, like a yo or something. Click on enter, double click that map. Now what you're now going to do is, this is very important, guys. If you don't do this, your map will not work. You're going to go to the data of the map that you want to download, which is going to be my map. You're going to drag it like onto like in this middle. Drag. Like hold and drag down. And you have to get like every folder. You have to get all of them. And then just drag the first folder into the folder that we made right here, into the yo folder. And that's it, guys. Now you have your map. You load our Minecraft right here, and we have two now. See, yo, right here. And that's how you're gonna get the map, guys. Still have to make the Discord for the map, of course, but I'm gonna make it, and y'all are gonna be able to download it. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If there isn't a Discord link in the comments, it's probably gonna be the map. You can click on that and download it. But if there is a Discord link, you just have to join the Discord and, download the map. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna make more updates to the map and make videos about them. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all are gonna practice with this map now, because this really took a long time, guys. See y'all!